In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily toggle the favorites toolbar on TradingView using 3 different methods. Navigating TradingView efficiently can significantly enhance your charting experience, so let's dive right in and explore these simple techniques. First, let's start by using the mouse. If you direct your attention to the left-hand side toolbar of the TradingView chart, you'll see a small star icon. This star is your gateway to controlling the visibility of the favorites toolbar. When you click on this star icon once, it will hide the toolbar, giving you a cleaner, more streamlined workspace. Clicking it again will make the toolbar reappear, allowing you easy access to your favorite drawing tools whenever you need them. This method is intuitive and perfect for users who prefer using visual cues to navigate their workspace. Next, let's explore the right-click menu option. Simply right-click on the area where your favorites toolbar is being displayed. This action will open up a context menu with a variety of options. One of these options will allow you to either hide or show the favorite drawing tools toolbar. By selecting this option, you can easily manage the visibility of your toolbar depending on your current needs. This method offers a straightforward way to control your workspace without having to navigate through multiple menus or settings. Finally, we have the keyboard shortcuts. For those who prefer a quick, hands-on approach, this method is perfect. If you're using Windows, press the key combination Ctrl plus Alt plus H. For Mac users, the corresponding shortcut is CMD plus Option plus H. This powerful shortcut will toggle the visibility of the favorites toolbar instantly. If your toolbar is currently hidden, executing this shortcut will bring it back into view. Conversely, if it's visible, the same shortcut will hide it, providing a clutter-free charting environment. Incorporating keyboard shortcuts into your routine can enhance your efficiency and help you maintain focus by minimizing visual distractions. Now that you're familiar with these 3 methods, you can choose the one that best fits your workflow. Whether you prefer clicking with the mouse, taking advantage of the right-click menu, or using handy keyboard shortcuts, you now have the flexibility to manage your TradingView environment with ease. Take a moment to practice each of these techniques so you can compare and see which one feels the most intuitive for your trading style. By mastering these tricks, you'll not only improve your productivity, but also ensure that your workspace is organized and tailored to your unique preferences. That's all for today's tutorial. Apply these insights to optimize your TradingView setup and enjoy a more effective charting experience. Happy trading!